What if I told you that the same AI technology Fortune 500 companies spend millions on is now available to your small business for less than your monthly coffee budget? I'm about to show you 5 AI tools that can automate your most time-consuming tasks, boost your productivity by 300%, and help you compete with businesses 10 times your size. And the best part? You can start using every single one of these tools today. Stick around because tool number 5 is going to blow your mind. It literally writes your marketing copy while you sleep. If you're a small business owner feeling overwhelmed by daily tasks, constantly fighting for time, or watching competitors pull ahead while you're stuck doing everything manually, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into 5 game-changing AI tools that require zero technical experience, won't break your budget, and can be set up in under 30 minutes each. I'll show you exactly how to use them, what they cost, and most importantly, how they'll transform your business starting today. I've been an entrepreneur for over 20 years, and the last 2 years, I've helped hundreds of small businesses implement AI tools that have collectively saved them thousands of hours and generated millions in additional revenue. Tool number 1, customer service automation. Let's start with the biggest time killer for most small business owners, customer service. Tool number 1 is called Chatbase, and it's about to revolutionize how you handle customer inquiries. What it does: Chatbase creates an AI chatbot trained specifically on your business information. Here's what you do: upload your FAQ documents, product catalogs, and service descriptions, and it learns everything about your business. Here's a real-world example. Sarah owns a boutique fitness studio. Before Chatbase, she spent 3 hours daily answering the same questions. What is your class schedule? What's your pricing? What's your booking procedures? Now, her AI assistant handles 80% of inquiries instantly, 24/7. Sarah saves 20 hours per week, and her customers get immediate answers even at midnight. Chatbase starts from a free plan and scales based your customer service needs. The setup is quick. Number 1, upload your business documents. Number 2, customize the chat widget design. Number 3, embed it on your website with 1 line of code. Pro tip: train it with your actual customer conversation history for even better responses. This alone can save you 10 to 15 hours per week. Imagine what you could do with those extra hours back in your schedule. Tool number 2 is going to solve your content creation nightmare forever. Meet Jasper AI, your personal marketing copywriter that works 24/7. What it does: Jasper writes blog posts, social media content, email campaigns, product descriptions, and ad copy in your brand voice. Here's a real-world example. Mike runs an e-commerce store selling outdoor gear. He was spending 8 hours every week writing product descriptions and social media posts. With Jasper, he now creates a month's worth of content in 2 hours. His email open rates increased by 45% because the AI helps him write more engaging subject lines. Here are some of the key features. Number 1, brand voice training. It learns to write exactly like you. Number 2, 50+ content templates for every business need. Number 3, SEO optimization built right in. Number 4, integration with your existing tools. As of the time of this video, pricing starts at $59 per month. But when you think about how much you were paying a content creator, or the amount of time you were spending to create content yourself, you're saving a bundle. Here are some quick wins you can implement today. Number 1, generate 30 social media posts in 10 minutes. Number 2, write compelling email subject lines that boost open rates by 30%. Number 3, create product descriptions that convert browsers into buyers. Here's a pro tip: use the Content Improver feature to upgrade your existing content. Just paste in old blog posts or emails and watch Jasper transform them into conversion machines. Now let's talk about visual content, because we all know that posts with images get 650% more engagement than text-only posts. Tool number 3 is Canva's AI-powered Magic Design, and it's like having a professional graphic designer on speed dial. So here is what it does. You type what you need, for example, an Instagram post for your coffee shop spring promotion, and Magic Design creates dozens of professional options instantly. Let me give you a real-world example. Lisa owns a local bakery, and she used to spend hours creating social media graphics or paying designers $50 per image. Now she creates stunning visuals for her daily specials, seasonal promotions, and event announcements in under 5 minutes each. Here are some of the key features. Number 1, brand kit integration. Canva can create and house your brand kit with consistent colors and fonts. Number 2, magic resize. One design image can become 8 different sizes instantly. Number 3, can remove the background of an image and even enhance the photo. Number 4, it can create videos for you. Pricing. Canva starts with a free version which offers a ton of value, but if you find yourself needing more, Canva Pro may be the way to go. Here's a time-saving hack. Create templates for recurring content types. Lisa has templates for her daily special, weekend events, and customer spotlight posts. She just swaps out text and images, and this takes her about 30 seconds per post. Buffer AI Assistant, the social media that runs itself. Tool number 4 tackles every business owner's social media headache: consistent posting and engagement. Buffer's AI Assistant doesn't just schedule posts, it creates them, optimizes posting times, and even suggests content ideas based on your industry trends. Here's what it does. Number 1, generates post ideas tailored to your business. Number 2, writes captions in your brand voice. Number 3, suggests optimal posting times for maximum reach. Number 4, even analyzes performance and adjusts strategy automatically. Pretty cool, right? Pricing is incredibly reasonable right now. The setup is fast. Number 1, connect your social accounts. Number 2, define your brand voice and target audience. Number 3, set your content categories such as tips, behind the scenes, and customer features. Number 4, let AI generate a month's worth of posts. Here's a pro tip: use the ideas feature when you're stuck. It analyzes trending topics in your industry and suggests timely content that your audience actually wants to see. And now for tool number 5, the one I promised would blow your mind. Make.com is like having a team of virtual assistants working around the clock, connecting all your business tools and automating complex workflows. Here's what it does. Make.com connects different apps and automates entire business processes without any coding knowledge required. Let me give you some mind-blowing examples. Number 1, it automatically adds new customers from your website to your CRM, sends welcome emails, creates invoices, and even schedules follow-up calls. Number 2, it monitors your competitors' pricing and automatically adjusts your prices to stay competitive. Number 3, it tracks mentions of your business online and instantly notifies your team for reputation management. Here's a real-world case study. Jennifer runs a digital marketing agency. She created an automation that, number 1, captures leads from Facebook ads. Number 2, adds them to her CRM with lead scoring. Number 3, sends personalized email sequences based on their interests. Number 4, books discovery calls automatically. Number 5, creates client folders in Google Drive. Number 6, generates project proposals using AI. This automation handles Jennifer's entire sales funnel automatically and has increased her conversion rate by 180%. Make has a free plan, and as of this video, paid plans start at $9 per month. Power automations you can set up today. 1, lead capture to customer onboarding pipeline. 2, social media monitoring and response system. 3, inventory management with automatic reordering. 4, customer feedback collection and analysis. Here's a pro tip. Start with one simple automation, like connecting your contact form to your email marketing platform. Once you see the magic happen, you'll be addicted to automating everything. So you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but where do I start? Here's your step-by-step implementation roadmap. Week 1, start with Chatbase for customer service. This gives you immediate time savings and better customer experience. Week 2, add Jasper AI for content creation. Use the time saved from customer service to create better marketing content. Week 3, implement Canva Magic Design for visuals. Now your content looks professional and engaging. Week 4, set up Buffer AI for social media automation. Your marketing machine is now running consistently. Month 2, dive into Make.com automations. Start simple and gradually build more complex workflows. Your total monthly investment for all 5 tools is under $200. Your expected time savings is 25 to 30 hours per week ROI. Most businesses see positive returns within the first month. The key is starting with one tool, mastering it, then adding the next. Don't try to implement everything at once. Here's what I want you to do right now while you're motivated. Choose one tool from this list that addresses your biggest pain point. Step 2. Sign up for the free trial or free version today. Step 3. Spend 30 minutes setting it up. Step 4. Comment below which tool you chose and what you plan to automate first. I personally respond to every comment and would love to hear what you think about these tools. If this video helped you see the possibilities of AI for your business, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI business strategies, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Here's the thing, your competitors may not be using these tools yet. Try them and get a step ahead of the competition. You want to be ahead of the curve and not playing catch up.